This assessment asks us to calculate delta H for the equilibrium process shown. The process shown is rotation around a bond, illustrated with Newman projections, to go from one conformation to another. Now what you notice, the conformation on the left has two gauche interactions. The conformation on the right has one. Reactions are going to be favored, reactions in quotes, processes are going to be favored that go from less stable to more stable. And here, having two gauche interactions is going to be a less stable conformation than the conformation with one. Well, by how much? In each of these cases, these are methyl-methyl gauche interactions, which are worth a total of 0.9 kilocalories per mole each. So we can calculate the total strain of the molecule on the left as being 1.8 kilocalories per mole. The conformation on the right has just one gauche interaction, so the total strain there is going to be 0.9 kilocalories per mole. And so this reaction is going to be downhill. It's going to go from 1.8 to 0.9 and be favorable. And so if we plug those numbers into an equation, we can take 0.9 minus 1.8 to calculate a delta H that is negative 0.9 kilocalories per mole.